Come test drive the 2025 Wrangler 4xe. The Jeep Wrangler 4xe provides unlimited flexibility and, most importantly, fun. It also offers the efficiency of a hybrid vehicle, but still allows the full capacity you've come to expect from a Wrangler. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.